Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I style my old wash and go into a beautiful protective style using a drawstring ponytail from Hergivenhair. So I'm going to start off with lightly misting my hair with warm water. This just helps me manipulate my hair much easier. My hair is coarse in texture, and so I usually have to handle my hair when it is damp or at least with a little bit of water to get more movement into my hair. And this will also reactivate the products that were currently in my hair already. I already had some gel and some leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in the middle. I usually do a side part, but I kind of wanted to try something different today. And because I have really short bangs at the front, I'm going to go ahead and section them off separately. And I'm going to show you guys how I deal with the top part. And I'm going to go ahead and lightly mist the rest of my hair. Actually, not lightly mist. I'm going to really dampen my hair a lot because my hair is pretty thick, and because it's very tight curls, I have to make sure that my hair is saturated with a lot of water to make sure that it gets very flat. And once my hair is saturated with enough water, I'm going to go ahead and take a boar bristle brush and smooth my hair as much as possible to fit it into a tight bun. If you have really thick hair and you really want your hair to look perfectly smooth, I would go ahead and section off your hair into smaller sections to get a more sleek look. That's what I've done in previous videos. But for this video, because I'm using a kinky curly ponytail, I kind of didn't really want my ponytail to be too slick because I wanted to kind of match and have a more natural texture. So once I get up to my bangs, I'm going to go ahead and spray a lot more water on there and then a lot more gel. And I'm using my favorite gel here, which is the Wetline Extreme Gel. And it has really good hold, but it also provides some moisture and also some shine as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put a lot on there because that's the part where you're going to see the most. So that's kind of what I do. And I'm going to go ahead and smooth that in and then go ahead and take a boar bristle brush and put my hair back into a bun. If my bangs were longer, I would love to kind of smooth it down more closer to my face to frame it. I think that would look a lot better, but because my bangs are too short to fit into the bun like that, I had to kind of smooth it upwards. So I kind of didn't really like it that much though, because it does show a lot of my edges, which I'm still trying to grow back. But I have a trick on that later on. I'll show you guys what I use to kind of thicken up my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back into a tight bun. So this is what I use to thicken up my edges, and it's the Perfect Black Edges from Cream of Nature, I believe it's called, and it is perfect because it's kind of like a pomade, so it also kind of tames the flyaways and makes your hair a lot more sleek, but it also thickens up your edges because it is black in texture, and it has that appearance of making it a lot thicker because it makes it a lot darker. Then I'm going to go ahead with my boar bristle brush one last time and make my hair as sleek as possible. Last thing I do is I tie my hair with a satin scarf, and I leave that in my hair for about 10 minutes or so to make sure it gets extremely flat. Okay, so now it's finally time to put on that ponytail, and this is from Hergivenhair, and it's so beautiful. It's ombre, and it just goes so well because it's so great to be able to change your hair color without having to dye it. It's super easy. It has a drawstring. All you got to do is just pull it down. It also comes with 2 clips that I use to attach into my hair to make it even more secure. So once I attach the ponytail onto my bun, I use those combs to slightly secure my hair, and then I pull down on the drawstring, and then I go ahead and hide that drawstring underneath the ponytail, and I attach that on with a bobby pin. And if you want the ponytail to be even more secure, you can go ahead and take a bobby pin and secure that into your bun as well. So that's it. It's such an easy protective style, you guys. That's all you have to do, and look how gorgeous it looks. I love that it's ombre as well because I love how the roots are dark, so it just blends in so perfectly with my natural hair. And it's just such an easy go-to protective style, or even a holiday look, or if you're going out and you don't want to spend too much on your hairstyle. It is so perfect, you guys, and I love how it protects my ends during the winter, and it just looks like you spent so much time doing your hair. And so for me, I love a lot of volume, so I'm gonna go ahead and tease the ponytail to get much more volume into the hairstyle. I just love how you can create so many different hairstyles with this ponytail. I'm definitely gonna experiment. I'm gonna put a high ponytail, I'm gonna do a bun, I'm gonna do a braid with it. So many fun things, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And all the details of this ponytail is going to be in the description box below. And there is a Christmas sale going on right now on Hergivenhair, and I believe it's on until December 25th, and there is a code. Check out the link and their website. And thank you guys so much. Let me know in the comments below, what did you guys think about this hairstyle, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.